identifying center and scale factor of dilation given image and pre-image. All right, to find the center of dilation, we connect image and pre-image vertices and extend the lines. So we're going to take a ruler and we're going to connect C to C and extend that line even farther. It doesn't matter what letter you start with. Connect B to B and A to A. So connect and extend. Right. And then where those three lines cross, that is going to be my center of dilation. The box here is just for workspace if needed. So my center is 2, 0. And then I also need to find the scale factor. To find the scale factor of dilation, we find the ratio of corresponding sides. Oops, I skipped one here. The center of dilation is the point of intersection. So that was the point of dilation was where all three of our lines crossed. So the intersection is the center of dilation. To find the scale factor, we're going to do a ratio of new over old. So for my scale factor, if I have a line that traces the graph, I'm just going to count. So from A prime to C prime, because I want the new first, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my new, so that's going to go on top. And then old is from the original A to the original C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 over 4 is going to reduce to 2. And so triangle ABC prime dilated by a scale factor of 2 from point 2, 0. Okay, I'll do one more example. This one's a little different, same basic idea. We're still going to use the ruler, connect E to E prime, D to D prime, F to F prime, and extend the line. You do want to do every point because sometimes it looks like they're going to cross somewhere and they really don't cross at that spot until you do a third line, and then it's easier to see. So just make sure that you do all 3 points of the triangle. All right, so these are crossing at your, well, that is not my origin, this is my origin, or axis. So over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4 is my center. And then I need to find out what is the scale factor. I do not have any of the line on this triangle that is tracing a line that I can count. So the easiest way to do this is from your point of dilation, we're going to pick a letter. You can do this with D or E or F and you're going to get the same answer. I'm just going to pick E. It looks like it's the closest. How far is it from my point to my E prime? Is 1. So when I have new over old, my new is 1. My old is how far from my point of dilation to where my E would be touching. So from the point of dilation to here. So that would be 1, 2. So this one would be a dilation of 1/2. So on the original shape, or on the first one, the first example, my original shape was smaller and it got bigger, so my scale factor needs to be bigger than 1. On the second shape, my original was the big one and it got smaller, so my dilation should be less than 1. If it is a fraction that will reduce, you can reduce it, but I don't count it wrong if you don't. We'll do the back of this, and we'll only do problems 1 through 5. We're not going to do 6. You can mark it out. If you have any questions, you can email me or message on Remind.